Oh my gosh, this is a violent tornado here. Oh my, this is not good. This is not good for this town.
You can hear it, hear it? Hear it? Roof off the house on the left.
Roof off the house on the left. All right, we have to go search and rescue now. There's people trapped underneath that rubble right there. So, can you get a hold of 911?
Nobody has service.
Nobody has service?
On March 24th, 2023, a dangerous tornado outbreak is setting up over the lower Mississippi River Valley. As a result, the Storm Prediction Center issues a moderate risk, highlighting the potential for a few intense, long-tracking tornadoes.
The storm, you see it's coming up from the south. On the southwest, you see it's building there. And then on the right, you can see that mesocyclone. But right there, velocities are really ramping up, so is lightning. So with LLJ increasing, heading towards OOZ or 7 p.m., stuff's about to get real and real fast. We're gonna get probably strong, long track tornadoes here going into the evening hours as these storms cross the Mississippi River into Mississippi.
Positioned in Tallulah, Louisiana, we watch as a supercell approaches from the southeast. In order for us to stay ahead of the storm, we decide to cross the Mississippi and meet it on the other side of the river.
It's really quickly picking up. Yeah, lightning's really focusing in that notch. Yeah, I see that. I see that on radar. It's definitely trying. Man, look at the lightning. Just so much lightning on this thing now.
As night falls, the storm rapidly intensifies as it crosses into Mississippi. A strong, low-level mesocyclone appears on radar, and the National Weather Service in Jackson, Mississippi issues a tornado warning at 7:46 p.m.
Alright, recording. Everything's recording. Oh my gosh, look at the hook developing on radar there. There it is. Yeah.
Coming for the town.
It's coming straight for this town.
Realizing we're in the path of the developing tornado, we reposition just south of Rolling Fork where we have a clear visual of the approaching storm.
Maybe. That would be the best case scenario. Keep going. What that? I got it on my iPad here. Great spot here. All right, just stop. I'm gonna get out.
Watch out for
Big time tornado.
Watch out for CGs.
Big time tornado developing right now.
Get a shot of that.
Yeah, get a screenshot right there. I think I saw it. Is that a wedge? Yeah, big wedge. Right now. You see it? We're just south of Rolling Fork. We got a large wedge tornado approaching town right now. That's the town. It's in the direct path of the tornado. And we're just to the south of town. Tornado's coming straight at us. Oh my gosh. This is a violent tornado here. Is it going to the right?
Yes.
Okay. I mean, that is a scary tornado. It's gonna hit this town. It's literally going for the town. Wow. Oh my, this is not good. This is not good for this town. Oh my gosh. Yep, I see it. It's moving to the right. Wow, inflow's ramping up. Okay, get ready. We're gonna have to go north. It's gonna go straight into town. We gotta go. There's power flashes. Roll the window up here. Oh, we're in the RFD now. Get up there.
There might be another tornado.
No, we're good. We're good. This is just RFD. Just get up here.
I'm recording.
I'm recording. We're good. We're good. You're clear right, by the way. Clear
Okay.
right.
I'll
Just
clear.
turn left.
All right.
It's gonna go straight in this town. Slow down. Let's get a bearing here.
There you go. There you go.
Yeah.
Go out my window.
Where is it?
You can hear it. Hear it? Hear it? Hear the roar?
Slow down.
Power flash right there. Just saw a
Where
power
is it?
flash.
It's
Right
crossing
over there.
right in front of us. Violent
It
tornado.
might be expanding, so.
Put your hazard. Get my hazards on. Yeah, there you go. They're on.
It's really good.
This is bad.
I don't know. It's pretty dangerous.
This is very strong wind.
Very strong.
Holy.
Might be expanding. It's huge.
It's a huge tornado.
Car's rocking big time.
We're on the back side of the RFD here.
All right.
So we're on the south side of the tornado.
Traveling north on US 61, we cautiously inch our way north as the violent tornado tears straight through town.
All right, follow that guy. Maybe he knows. I think I just saw a power flash.
up
Yeah, it's
ahead.
going through the town now.
Yeah.
Oh, right in front of us. Oh no. It's going straight through the town. There it is. Yeah, buildings,
House, tree down.
significant damage.
As we enter the middle of Rolling Fork, we come across the tornado's damage path.
Oh, we got bad. Oh, we got bad damage here. We got houses messed up.
Roof off the house on the
Roof
left.
off the house on the left. All right, we're gonna have to go search and rescue now. This is bad. Oh my gosh,
Tons of
that's
rain.
destroyed.
Look at this on the right too.
Yeah.
Damage.
Oh
That's
my.
Oh my gosh.
As the rain pours in the pitch dark, storm chasers and good Samaritans jump into the piles of rubble, pulling people out and racing the injured to the nearest hospital.
Got a front seat right here. So, what's your dog's name?
This is Zach.
Zach. Okay. Anybody else in the house with you?
No, just was me.
Just you? Okay.
You have room for one more.
Yeah, we can fit one.
Yeah.
one more?
If it- where do they
See
need
the
to
car that
go?
says storm on the side?
Yeah.
Okay, we have one in there that we need to take to the hospital, okay? Okay, right here on the right side.
Okay.
Right here.
Can you help me right here? I'm looking her off.
Here.
Okay, I'm switching.
You got her?
Hello, what's your name?
Nisha?
What?
Nira?
Taneria?
You're in.
Good.
Okay.
We got you.
You're gonna be okay.
Okay. Yep.
Okay, so go south.
I will.
Go south. Okay.
Yeah. Yep.
Okay, so just sitting here at the Vicksburg Hospital. We just took 2 people to the hospital. We took them all the way down here to the Vicksburg Hospital. I've got Zach here. There's people, bodies laying unconscious up there, just in the rubble and stuff. I came across a couple people who were trapped in a house up there, and yeah, it's just really tough scenes going on. It's okay, Zach. It's okay. Hey, whoa. It's okay. That was probably the most intense experience I've ever had there. That was a powerful tornado. That was an EF4, definitely an EF4 plus tornado there that went through there. There's a lot of people that need help up there, and really hoping everybody pulled through, but it's not looking good right now. It's not good.
In the morning, daylight unveils the horrific scope of the disaster. Entire neighborhoods are destroyed, with piles of rubble marking where homes once stood. Cars tossed hundreds of yards are found laying in fields, left mangled beyond recognition. Trees are stripped from their branches and bark, leaving only the barren trunks sticking out of the ground like a toothpick.